My name is Maryam. I come from Iran. My background is chemical engineering, and currently I'm a master's student at UNIRIS. As I'm interested in research, I would like to be a researcher in future, and I choose this program because I believe that it would improve my skills and would help me my future job and my professional life. With skills and knowledge that I have obtained and working in well-equipped laboratories, I know that at the end of journey I will be a person which is able to do many things on my own, and I will be more self-dependent.